Tonight was the regular scheduled meeting for the City Council for Cohasset. Tuesday, March 23rd, we began the night with a 15-minute closed work session to discuss labor negotiations. At 6:45, we had an open City Council work session to discuss project sources and use of funds in regard to Grand Rapids and Cohasset Industrial Park utility extension water main looping on the Cohasset and Grand Rapids former Ainsworth site. We added that to the agenda. We also had two other items to add to the agenda. One was a flow meter that went out, and another one was to put the tanker up for auction that we're replacing at the fire hall. We added those to the agenda at the meeting. So under administration, we approved the quote from Professional Turf for fertilizer and application services for $51.90. Approved a quote from Cascade Computers for security cameras for Portage Park for $1623.57. We acknowledge the following employee retirement and resignation for Dave O'Fallon, Park and Rec Coordinator, retirement effective April 30th, and for Brady Thompson, Public Works, effective March 26th, resignation. We wish both of them good luck in the future, and a shout out to Dave too for longevity and how he brought our rec program to where it is today. Thank you, Dave, and thank you, Brady. We approved the acceptance of $10,000 from the Blandon Foundation grant for the purchase of our playground equipment to be installed at the new community center, and that should be done shortly. Approved the draft lease agreement for post office property. We have a business that wants to utilize that small 900-foot rental space on the side of the post office, and whatever meetings were ever held in there or groups that ever met there are now going to be going to the new senior center, and it's a brand new facility, and it's going to be way better than what they were used to. So that takes care of that. We approved the Cohasset Daycare and Senior Center agreement, and also the party wall agreement between the City of Cohasset and ISD 318, and we shipped them off tonight for signature on their end. We also approved a project with Grand Rapids at the Echo Park for $296,727, and this will tie in our sewer and water system and enable us to begin a new loop system. Instead of running everything off one end, we can now loop in, and for the first time, and I'm very proud of it since I've been on here, we're actually in the process of being able to expand the water and sewer systems. So we'll be having some serious discussions in the future, and I think a lot of people are going to be excited. So the flow meter was approved. We had one that went out that was reading inaccurately. That had to be replaced on lift station 8. And we approved the tanker at the fire hall to be put on auction to replace, and money's going towards the new tanker. Other than that, that brought us to the consent agenda. We approved the claims in the amount of $181,684.58. And we approved the March 9th, 2021 City Council minutes. And that concluded our meeting with many items being done at about 7:15. So until next time, thank you.